Hey guys, I really hope you've been enjoying the episode so far. In this episode today, we're going to see a little bit about how Danny feels about the program and the results that he's been seeing. On top of that, he's been a bit busy lately and he wasn't actually able to come into one of the workouts that he had to do at the end of the week. So you're going to see how we dealt with that. He actually had to do a workout at home. So you'll actually get to see a home workout that he has. I really hope you guys enjoy this episode of Danny's Week 3.
Hey y'all, so it's the beginning of week 3, and I'm not gonna lie, in the beginning I was very skeptical about this whole no cardio thing. I mean, that's how you lose weight, it's like cardio, that's what everybody says. And yeah, I've actually been seeing a lot of pluses. My pants, they don't fit anymore. I'm starting to slim down a lot. I'm starting to see a lot of definition on my upper body, and that's awesome. It's great, and I'm feeling great too. I'm starting to get to sleep sooner. Starting to have a lot more focus, and I'm starting to actually remember a lot more things too, because usually I do not. But yeah, so I actually called up David, and our meal plan days actually fit on the same day. So I was actually thinking about going with him to buy our produce, since we both got to get ready for the week together. David's super buff and I'm looking to slim down, 2 goals. But yeah, I'm about to call him up and we're gonna go buy our stuff. See y'all there.
Hey you guys, so I just got a call from Danny saying that he'd like me to go with him to go shopping, which was actually pretty perfect timing because I am also doing my food shopping today. My meal prep falls on today. He knew that and he called me and he wanted to go see if I could go shopping with him. So I'm on my way there right now and we're gonna go get some food. You ready? Got some spring mix, some chopped kale. All right, so ended up having a pretty successful shopping trip. I got everything that I needed for my meal prep. Danny got everything that he needed, as well as some other stuff for his family as well. Ended up being very fun and successful.
Oh yeah. Hey guys, it's Friday, week 3, and I can't really show up today because I'm actually going to be helping my brother set up for his new comic Starfish at C2E2 over there in Chicago. So I'm going to be pretty busy. But I'm going to actually call David right now and tell him about it. Hey David, I'm actually not going to be able to come in today. I'm actually helping my brother out with his new graphic novel Starfish at C2E2. It's actually pretty exciting. I'm super happy about it. I'm going to be helping him out, passing out pamphlets for like advertising and stuff. I'm going to be ready about in like a half hour. I could throw in a 20-minute workout. Okay. All right, email? Okay, cool. Sounds good. All right, have a good weekend. Okay, thanks. Bye.
There you guys go. No matter what, he gets his workouts in, whether it's at the gym or at home if he can't make it in. What I'll do is I'll just send him an email and he'll do his workouts at home. I hope you guys liked this episode. If you did like this episode and you like the series so far, make sure to like the videos, comment if you have any comments. You're definitely going to want to subscribe to the channel, and when you do subscribe, make sure to click that bell so that you get any notifications when we put up any videos. And of course, if you have missed any of the other episodes, you can click either one of these boxes and it'll bring you to the other episodes. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great week.